Tram, the heritage of Kolkata. More or less, we all know about the history of tram. But do you know about Smaranika? Yes, you are right. It is the Tram Museum of Kolkata. Let's go with Monja Chai to know more about Smaranika. The Calcutta Tramways Corporation or CTC has come up with a unique initiative to showcase its 140-year heritage in the form of Smaranika, a tram museum housed inside an actual tram stationed at the Esplanade Tram Depot. The first tram service in Calcutta was on the 24th of February 1873, with a horse-drawn tram running between Sealdah and Armenian Ghat Street. The electric tram made its debut in Calcutta in 1900. The Smaranika tramcar, officially designated CTC 142, was built in 1938 and has been renovated and modified to accommodate a cafeteria in the first-class compartment and a tram museum in the rear second-class compartment. It is completely air-conditioned, no glass device. The cafeteria serves basic tea and coffee. Along with that, there are soft drinks and various chips. It's a great place for a long, relaxed Calcutta-style adda or chat. The tram museum, housed in the rear compartment of Smaranika, is cute and fascinating in equal measure. On display are interesting equipment and gadgets used by the Calcutta Tramways Corporation over the years. Among them is a coin exchanger with punch and ticket pockets used in the 1950s by conductor for giving change of correct denominations to passengers. There are also a large number of tram models such as the Byomkesh Bokshi tramcar. A double-bogie wooden tramcar of the year 1931 was specially modified at CTC Nonapukur workshop in the year 2013 for shooting of the Hindi film Detective Byomkesh Bakshi, directed by Divakar Banerjee. CTC recreated the look, features, painting and even advertisements on the exteriors of the tram. Smaranika Tram Museum is open to the public from 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. on all days except Thursdays, with an entry fee of Rs 10 only.